Are you still troubled by poor filling accuracy, inability to synchronize multiple channels, parameter changes, and debugging? Today, we bring you the peristaltic pump filling system of Huiyu GZ100-3A Intelligent Multi-Channel Peristaltic Pump Filling System. Universal high-precision filling solution for food, daily chemical, pharmaceutical and egg liquid filling. Standard configuration of 4 sets of independent drive units, cordwood modular design. It can be expanded to 32 channels as needed. Demonstration takes 2 channels as an example, and the finger touchscreen sets the filling amount. The operation menu is intuitive and easy to understand, and the novice is skilled in half an hour. Supports single-channel multi-channel independent start and stop, forward and reverse control. Unify the suction angle and time, and automatically suck back at the end of filling. Eliminate the waste of dripping liquid at the bottle mouth. Parameter password locking prevents workers from accidentally changing settings. Standard RS485 Modbus communication interface. It can seamlessly connect with assembly lines, host computers and automated production lines, suitable for automatic integrated filling equipment. Empty and recycle function with one click. Pipeline cleaning is simple, material replacement and cleaning are time-saving and labor-saving. Take the weighing calibration operation demonstration as an example. Built-in 4 calibration modes: scale adjustment, volume calibration, weighing calibration, multiple weighing calibration. The fluid output can be corrected without downtime online. Common formulas are saved and called with one click, and there is no need to debug repeatedly when changing products. Significantly reduce production replacement time. If you are looking for high-precision filling system, Huiyu GZ100-3A is a reasonable and reliable choice. Stabilize production capacity, strictly control losses, and improve the pass rate of finished products.